สวัสดีค่ะพี่น้อง Good afternoon, welcome to the Bangkok Room channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make mushroom curries. มื้อนี้นะคะจะเฮ็ดแกงเห็ดสู้กินค่ะจังไดก็มาเบิ่งมาติดตามกันค่ะแกงเห็ดใส่ปลาแดกอีสานบ้านเฮาค่ะ Mushroom curry is one of the northeastern Thai cuisine that's very famous and really nice, delicious dish. Is suitable for vegetarian as well. So today I'm going to show you step by step how to make it. So let's cook. Let's go. Okay, here we go. I got 3 different mushrooms here, but you don't have to use 3 different mushrooms. You can use just 1 or 2. It doesn't matter, it's your dish. So I got just a normal white button mushroom, and I got enoki mushroom and shimeji mushroom. เป็นเห็ดสีขาวค่ะเอาซื้อจากซูเปอร์มาร์เก็ตที่นี่ค่ะแล้วก็เป็นเห็ดเข็มทอง All these mushroom you can get from normal supermarket or get it from Asian supermarket. Okay, and next one ใบยานางจ้าYanang leaf extract. It's a kind of green ivy that we use for particular curry, like for bamboo curries or mushroom curries. So we use this one. Again, you can get it from any Asian supermarket. And then this one, dry chilli and garlic. That's already crushed it. Again, you know, you can put as many you like with chili or as little as you like, because it's your curry. Remember, you like spicy, you add it more. Okay. โขลกพริกแห้งค่ะพริกแห้งกับกระเทียม and this bamboo shoot I use bamboo shoot as well, and again you can get these from Asian supermarket or normal supermarket as well. And as I have in here, again that's bamboo shoot, onion, butternut squash, and spring onion and basil. I use normal basil because I can't get lemon basil, so I just use normal ones, which you can get it from supermarket. เป็นใส่แบบฝักทองน้ำนะค่ะ and then again MSG. I do use MSG, but if you don't like it, you don't have to use it. Okay, and fermented fish sauce that's I use for this curry. ปลาร้าค่ะปลาแดกต้องใส่ค่ะมันจังสีนัว but if you are vegetarian you can leave it out and use salt instead. Okay, ผงชูรสจะอย่าลืมใส่ค่ะขาดผงชูรสบ่ได้คันบ่ใส่มันบ่แซ่บเลยว่า so I've got all ingredients here now, so and we're going to get cooking now. Let's cook now. Okay, first I'm going to boil Yanang leaf extract. So I open it up. ต้มน้ำยานางก่อนค่ะ so that Yanang extract go in, and then I'm going to boil it until it boils, and then I'm going to put butternut squash, bamboo, and onion and mushroom and all this in except the basil and spring onion. That will be going at the end of it. Now just wait for the yanang to be boiled. Okay, now the yanang leaves is boiled now, so I'm going to put crushed chili and garlic in there and chai. So that will go in. So crushed chili, garlic, and chai of ladyfinger went in, and then all this go in as well. Bamboo shoot, onion, butternut squash, and lemongrass. go in. And then I'm going to put mushroom in there as well. Everything go in there. Oops. And then I just wait it until it boils. So when it's cooked, I just put fermented fish sauce in and MSG, and then top up with the spring onion and basil leaf, and then we'll be done. Okay. Okay, now it's cooked now. All the mushroom in it and everything in here is cooked. So I'm going to put fish sauce in it. So I'm going to put like just 1 spoon, 2 spoons. So in there 2 spoons, and a little bit of MSG go in there. Give a little bit stir. ใส่ปลาแดกใส่ผงชูรสไปแล้วค่ะคนๆจักหน่อย and then I put all the spring onion and basil in, and then give it a quick stir. And that's it, done. It cooked. It's ready to serve now. It's ready to serve now. สุกแล้วค่ะพี่น้องเรียบร้อยแล้วแกงเห็ดค่ะโอ้หอมผักอีตูว้า ready to serve. Wow, that's nice. That look nice. Smell gorgeous. That's it. My dinner. I have light dinner. This is very light. And oops. Look at that. It smells really nice. Smell of the basil. Gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to tuck in. เสร็จแล้วค่ะเสร็จแล้วหอมแกงเห็ดบ่ได้กินตะโดนแล้วค่ะมากินกันแล้วค่ะหอมกินปลาแดกค่ะกินปลาแดกโอ้มากินน้ำกันค่ะ It's ready. I'm going to taste it now. พี่น้องแกงเห็ดแล้วค่ะกินหอมผักอีตูหอมกระชายน้ำลายไหลค่ะ Ladies and gentlemen, my mushroom curry is ready now. Wow. The fragrance of the basil and grachai is so gorgeous. I can't wait to tuck in. And also this dish is suitable for vegetarian as well. Wow. It's gorgeous. It's crunchy from mushroom. The sweetness of mushrooms and butternut squash, onion. It's just gorgeous and beautiful flavor. The fragrance of basils and grachai. Oh, this is just make me, remind me of how my mother used to cook it for me. Oh, this is gorgeous. And I knew Mark Wayne and Mickey Stosh, they said this dish, Gaeng-hed, is one of their favorite dishes. So, cheers, guys. Yeah, you guys right. I love it too. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done it. Please share as well. Thank you for watching. That means the world to me. ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่ติดตามอย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์กด Subscribe ด้วยนะคะแล้วเจอกันวิดีโอหน้านะคะขอบคุณมากค่ะบายว้าว